Well, good Thursday morning, everybody. Give Bosco a little food. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. How come you got that tangled up? Big fat dog. Big fat dog. How'd you do this? Oh boy, guess what? I'm just getting you a new cable today. It's getting broken there anyway. You can see a couple of spots are getting damaged. So what I need to do is get him set up with a kennel, a big kennel, versus being on the cable. But I gotta get all that stuff up there cleaned up so he can have a kennel up there on the hill. You gotta have a view too, you know. Oh, I don't know what the temp is this morning, but we got plenty of frost. After today, though, we're supposed to be in the pretty much consistently in the mid to upper 50s. I think we got one day that stays in the 40s, upper 40s, but so that'll be okay. Hopefully we get a good jump in the grass. We're gonna pound in a hell of a lot of fence this weekend. I know that. We don't have a choice. Oh, come on. Watch what I'm doing. There we got it. It's a little better, huh? Not that you can see any better than I can. Glare on the windshield. Oh, we gotta figure out a place to turn around. I need to scuff that trailer down and give it another coat of paint. Got pulled around in the wintertime a couple times and now we got a little bit of rust showing, so I do have more paint for it. I do need to wire in the rest of my LED lights that are up for it. I gotta fix up the ones that are on the utility implement trailer too, because those got wires got snagged on something. Got pulled on a little bit, so the back ones still work. That's the important thing. Tail lights, it's just the side marker lights that got halved up. All right, there we go. I'm not gonna. It's a Predator 212cc chipper shredder. Like I said, the thing's brand new. The guy used it for 2 trash bags worth of leaves and sticks. I mean, look at the thing. There isn't even a scratch in the box. It's never had branches put through it. Any of that stuff. It's got about 10 minutes of run time on it. So, it'll work. That'll work. Why won't that work? Right? Paid half the price that you'd pay from Harbor Freight. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, let's see if it'll start. Hear that? I still haven't fixed that starter, Luke. Cold mornings. I think I get starter tour out of that thing this weekend. Or some damn thing. Anyway, we'll get this chipper fired up this weekend. Run some stuff through it. See how it works. Yeah, Katie and I were talking about it, and it's like, well, we're gonna need some wood chips to put on the floor in the greenhouse. And we need some wood chips and shavings and that stuff to bed the chicken coop. And to be honest with you, it wouldn't be a bad idea to have a good pile of it around when there's getting mucky spots in the cow yard. We're gonna dump down some wood chips. They don't mind. So that's what we bought it for. Piss on it. Oh. I had the air conditioning on yesterday because of the sunshine in the windshield. Now, I'm going to crank the heat. What is it? 23 this morning. There we go. That's the official forecast of 23 degrees this morning. On our way to 40 something today. All right. For those of you that joined in on the live stream last night, I much appreciate it. Had a hell of a good time. Drank some beer, cut up a little, laugh a little. I very much enjoyed it. I very much appreciate it. Everything's froze over still. Look at that. We've had consistent ice for 2 days now because of the teens and 20s at night. So for those of you that are good patrons to my channel, I much appreciate you guys. Certainly hope everyone has a great day. It's Thursday. Sun's shining. It's going to be a beautiful day other than I still have a job. Anyway. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. See you again next time.